Good morning, students. Now we are going to start part 3, chapter 15, Forest. Crown of a trees. The crown of woody plants include branches, twigs, and leaves extending from the trunk or the main stem. So the tree crown is the top part of the tree, which features branches, leaves, and reproductive structures extending from the trunk or main stem. Shape of crown are highly variable. There is crowns of several trees in the forest make the canopy. You see here the crowns of trees comes in various shape like fountain, spreading, full crown, pyramid types, colmar, and like whippings. Now, importance of forest. Forests play a vital role in the social, cultural, historical, economic, and industrial development of any countries. The Hindi proverb for this importance of forest is वनों के हैं तीन उपकार, मिट्टी, पानी और बहार. So there is various utility, beautifully brings out the various utility of forest. First one, provide habitats for animals and livelihoods for humans. It mitigates climate change by the process of transpiration and photosynthesis. Forest also maintain the temperature. Forest prevents soil erosions. Tree absorbs carbon dioxide and turns it into wood. Forest pump out oxygen we need to live and absorb the carbon dioxide we exhale. Groups of trees can also serve as a windbreak. It regulates the water cycle. It provides fodder for cattle and provides firewood, etc. It provides medicinal plant and spices. It provides raw material to industries like paper, plywood, rayons, etc. It provides products such as gum, wax, rubber, and honey. They provide employment opportunity to people. Forest resource become a source of foreign exchange in our country. It reduces atmospheric pollution. It provides protection to wildlife. It helps in regulating gaseous cycle of atmosphere and the earth temperature. Forest also bear many flowers, fruits, and roots which are suitable for human consumption. Forest provide wood for the production of furniture and in the building of wooden houses. Forest covering a large area promote perfect seasonal rains through their vast amounts of transpiration. Forests promote biodiversity to a great extent. It produces humus and maintain soil fertility.